So we live in Alberta, and let's be honest, Alberta has been a pretty great place to do business over the last number of years. Oil and gas has driven a lot of our economy, and of course that flows through many, many different sectors, even if we're not directly in the oil and gas sector. But what I've noticed as I've talked to various business owners out in the market is things have changed or started to change. People and companies that have never had the prospect in the past are now looking at this and going, man, if we're going to, keep our growth, if we're going to actually hit targets that we want to hit, we got to actually be proactive at finding these new opportunities, talking to new people. And we just never done it. And we don't have the skills and we don't have the mindset, and maybe even we're a little bit nervous on how to go about doing that. If any of that resonates with you and your team, we have a workshop coming up that might make sense for you to be a part of and get your team in, where we're going to talk about how you set up a plan to prospect, what are some of the tools that you're going to actually be able to use to do it effectively, and how can you actually practice your verbiage when you talk to a stranger. If that sounds like it could be a fit, join us at our next prospecting workshop.